Good morning, student. I am Salendra Kumar, math teacher of Lord Buddha Public School. Today we are studying class 9, subject math and chapter 1, number system. Today our topic is representation of irrational number on number line. For this, there is a question: represent root 2 on number line. For this, first we draw a number line xy, which is a straight line, and then we take a point O, which is also represent our digit 0, and we put another points at point A, at point D, which is the distance from O to A is 1 unit, A to D is 1 unit, and that point A represent 1 and point D represent 2. To represent under root 2 on the number line, so we draw an altitude at point A. For this, we make a right angle at point A and we cut an arc of 1 unit from point A to B. Thus, AB is 1 unit and OA is also 1 unit, and then we join O to B. Thus, there is a right angle triangle OAB so formed. Using the Pythagoras, in right angle triangle OAB, OB means hypotenuse of opposite side of the right angle, OA means base, and AB is an altitude, and our Pythagoras tells us the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So we substitute the value of OA and OB in this equation. OB square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. After that, finally we get the length of OB is root 2 unit. Here now we take a compass, iron point at point O and pencil point at point B, and we draw an arc with radius OB which intersect line XY at point C. Thus, the length of OC is equal to OB. Hence, the point C represent root 2. Similarly, you also represent root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, etc. on the number line. That's all. Students, now we study about representation of an irrational number on number line by geometrically. So, here we take number root under 4.1, which is represented on number line by geometrically. For this, first we draw a line segment AB whose length is 4.1 units. This unit take as U as centimeter, inch, meter, etc. Now we produce AB at point C such that BC is equal to 1 unit. After that, we find the perpendicular bisector of AC. For this, we take an arc in our compass whose length is just more than half of AC, and then we cut two arcs, one upside of AC and second downside of AC, with A as a center. Again with same radii, but C as a center, and we cut two arcs which intersect the previous arc at two distinct points. Then we join these two lines with a scale such as which intersect AC at point O. Thus, O is the midpoint of AC. And now we draw a semicircle with center O and radii OA is equal to OC. Then we draw an altitude at point B. That means we make a right angle triangle at point B which intersects semicircle at point D. Thus, the length of BD is equal to root under 4.1. Now, we take B as a center and BD as a radius. We draw another arc which intersect AC produced at point E. Hence, we can say point E represent root under 4.1. For its verification, we verify it. AC is equal to AB plus BC, that means 4.1 plus 1 means 5.1 unit. Therefore, OA is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 5.1 upon 2 unit. OB is equal to OC minus BC, then 5.1 upon 2 minus 1, then we get 3.1 upon 2 units. So now in right triangle, OBD, BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square by using Pythagoras theorem, and we substitute the value of OD and OB 5.1 by 2 whole square minus 3.1 upon 2 whole square. Using algebraic identity A square minus B square, we write it 5.1 upon 2 plus 3.1 upon 2 into 5.1 upon 2 minus 3.1 upon 2. So BD square is equal to 8.2 by 2 into 2.0 upon 2. So BD is equal to root under 4.1 units. Thus, it is verified the length of OD is equal to, so length of BD is equal to length of BE is equal to root under 4.1 unit. Thanks.